Hi, my name is Ray Shannon. I'm a fourth year software engineering student in Carlow IT, and I would like to demonstrate my fourth year project, UtilityWatch. The UtilityWatch uses the Intel Galileo board to communicate to my network, to third-party devices, energy monitors, to control lighting and also to control my heating. To log in, type in admin and password as the default password and username. Upon successful login, we should be presented with a dashboard which offers three features: electricity, heating and control. I would like to demonstrate the electricity feature first. Okay, so the first chart tells us about our daily usage. So the day is broken up into hours, so we can see each hour and what activity has gone on in our house and the energy usage. Also over on the right we have a table which keeps a running total of the cost for today. On the left we have options to go from daily chart, weekly, monthly and bi-monthly charts. I would now like to show you the weekly chart. So as today is Thursday, we have Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday populated. Again, we can see the total usage divided by each day, and also on the table we can see how much it's costing per day and also the current total for the week. The monthly chart, as this is the third week, has populated week 1 and week 2. Again, the table will give us the total for the week 1, week 2 and in total for the current month. The bi-monthly chart is a good opportunity to compare our energy usage to our utility bill from our provider. We have 6 weeks completed already. 1, 2, 3 and 4 are last month, and then this month we have 2 already. The total so far for my utility usage is €81.82. That concludes the electricity feature, and I would now like to show you the heating feature. The heating feature provides a temperature gauge on the right hand side. At the moment in my house it is 22.7 degrees C. I have a heating controller which consists of a master switch and an automatic switch. The master switch just turns on the system full on, and we should see an increase in our temperature from 22.7. That should start to creep up. This gauge is refreshed every 6 seconds. Okay, so currently now it's 24.3 degrees, and I'm just going to turn it off so I can demonstrate the automatic mode. The automatic mode offers more variation, so it has a cut-in temperature of 16 degrees and a cut-out temperature of 26 degrees. These temperatures are obviously changeable, so we can select how warm or how cold we want our house to be. So at the moment this temperature gauge is starting to fall back. So for me to demonstrate the automatic mode, I will need to bring my cut-in temperature above 24.2 degrees. So I'm just going to drag my cut-in temperature right up, and I'm going to drag my cut-in temperature up to 25 degrees, which will trigger the system. So now we should see an increase in the temperature gauge on the right hand side. So currently it's 24.1. The system has been enabled, so we're in automatic mode, and now we see our temperature starting to increase. I'm just going to reduce this down because for time. So I'm going to go to 27. So at 27 degrees the system should cut out. So currently 26.3, 26.9 degrees now on the gauge. Once it goes above 27 it will cut out, and as likewise once it goes below 25 degrees it will cut back in. So this will keep the temperature at whatever we want to set it at. Normally we would have the temperature in between 19 and 21 degrees, and that would have a nice environment in our house. That concludes the heating functionality, and I would like to show you the control system. I chose to control the lighting system. My house is divided into upstairs and downstairs, so at the moment I can control my upstairs lighting. It just has a simple master switch. On the right it has a gauge which just shows the current usage in the house. So when I turn on my lighting system I should see an increase in this unit. So at the moment 345 units are being used and an increase of 374, so there's a couple of lights have been turned on. And if I turn it off then, so it just goes up to 387. When I turn it off then it should just show a drop. In essence, this system can control anything from security gates entry doors, exit doors, whatever you want to control. Okay, and that concludes my demo.